is Bryce Andrews. I'm going to demonstrate enhancement 7 for the Acme website. First, I'm going to go through my code really quick and show just some of the things that were added. There's the account update case. Here's the case to show the new view for it. Password update case. And the accounts model. There's the functions, new functions. Then I have the client update view. So let's just run this. I'll go through it. So here is the administrative page. And as you can see, this George Bush has administrative rights here, and he is able to update the product and update his account information. Let's go through and validate this really quick first off. Oh, so there looks like I need to. Okay, so I went and fixed that error really quick, so let's revalidate this page. Okay, so here we have no errors. So that one's good. I'll go into this update account information and validate this page. That one's good. No errors. And in here I'll do the server side and client side on this. So update information, error, your account was not updated, and then we'll go no validate, update, it's not validated. Let's clear this out. Please fill this out, and if we hit the no validate, please provide the information for all empty fields. Okay, and then we can always come in here and change this and update that information. Congratulations, George W. Your account was successfully updated. So there's that. And then we can update the password as well. Congratulations, your password was successfully updated. Okay, and then we can log out of here. And once I log out, you'll notice that this administrative stuff will disappear when I log in with somebody else, user that doesn't have those administrative rights. So I believe this one does not have those rights. Okay, so you'll notice that I myself am just a client, so it says Bryce Andrews, you're logged in. Welcome, Bryce, up here. But I don't have any of the administrative rights. I can, however, update my account information, and it will work just the same as before. If I try and do this, please fill it out, no validate. Please provide the information. Come back in here, same thing for here. Please fill this out. No validate on. Please provide the information in the empty fields. Okay, so that one is that. Let's make sure I have all these. Client update. So let's validate this one. So come over here, validate this page. Looks good. Use the accounts controller and accounts model for those two views. As you saw, it returns one for an administrative view and one for just a client view. Those functions are present. Client and server-side validation. The admin PHP right here has all the required changes that it asked for in that, just to show if the client has views, administrative views or not, and then show the views if the administrator has a administrative level view. And I showed you that the update process works. I can go in here, do this, and say change my email address. So update Bryce K, you can see that there, at bryceandrews.com. Let's go into localhost, refresh that. So right here is the changes. Bryce K, Bryce Andrews, Bryce at andrews.com. Okay, I think that, let's do the log out. So log out, and let's log back in. Let's see what was, I believe I changed his password. fishegov.org. Let's see if I remember this right. There it goes. And it worked. Okay, that is my video, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.